Hello guys, welcome back to another thing, and I'm back from my holiday. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to build this Lego grandfather clock. If you don't have a clock base, that's a-okay. You can make your own clock hands. I'm gonna take it apart and show you guys the tutorial. Be right back, guys. Alright, dude, I am back from taking this thing apart. So what you gotta do first is if you have 3 of these like golden Lego things, if you have 4 of these, then you guys grab. I'm gonna push this away. Then what you guys gotta do is take it apart. Sorry. You guys put it here. You just put it in this, and you guys just put it like this. Sorry guys. Guys, I will be right back. So I'm gonna. Alright guys, I am back. So here's what you guys need to make the clock face. So you guys need, if you guys don't have this, you can get another piece. So what you guys have to do, you guys have to put it like this, then you stick it on the back of the clock, then you take this, and you put it up like that. And I'll show you guys how to make the picture. Alright dudes, I am back. So I apologize for this being blurry. So what you guys do is you can take this bolt. You can make it longer. You stick one of these things under it. Then you put it like this. You grab it. You put it like this. You use one of these things. You stick it like this. To stick the pendulum on, you need these 2 things. And you stick it on like this.
That the world is watching. Everyone was watching yesterday. It was a star-studded day on the picket lines. Coming up, the economic.
And
It is a weird feeling. Like, because Liam the other day, he said, he asked me, did you get all those years? I said, no, prior to that, I was 16. Well, how did you get it? I said, I don't know. I said,
then you get these things where this has to be like this tall.
cleared up or taken care of, so it's like,
And you have two of these things. You take it.
you grow out of it.
You put it
Yeah, imagine that.
here.
Everything is just weird. I can't even eat a freaking piece of gaining 2 pounds overnight. I mean, who does that? But,
You just put it here. Then what you just do, you add it like this. You add it like this. And what you do
yeah, that is very odd.
is
Hey, everyone reacts differently. And now we'll go back to Danielle. You said she's not.
do like that.
She is having issues. Yeah. I think she is finally got.
This double strike is already
You
happening.
add the pendulum. You add the pendulum onto this. You add the clock face, which is gonna be right here. Then you break it apart. You put it this. You put it here. And you guys have to take out the pendulum and add one of these. Put it here. Here. Put it here. You put it like this. You add the pendulum. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.